7 News at 5.
You know, there is new hope for children living with autism, and it could be as easy as breathing. We'll have the details in our special assignment report, Answers for Autism, straight ahead for you at 5:30.
As the new
Live from the news station, this is 7 News at 5:30.
With a disability like autism is difficult, but there may be a way to overcome some of the symptoms. Answers for Autism, ahead.
Well, parents of autistic children heading to Capitol Hill today looking for a link between the disorder and vaccines.
And here in South Florida, there may be new hope for kids dealing with the disease. 7's Richard Lemus with Answers for Autism.
It's okay, bud.
Every parent of an autistic child faces the same hardship.
The hardest part is seeing him struggle with the things that come so naturally to kids, like socializing and playing.
But each parent also holds some hope.
My goal for Christian, my hope for Christian is for full recovery.
Wanda had a hard time communicating with her 4-year-old son.
If we would say, Christian, get your bottle and come to mommy, he would just look at me like I was speaking an entirely different language.
For Joanna, it was tough watching her son Aiden try to play with other kids.
He was having difficulty socializing. He was more hyperactive, more distractible.
But both moms were encouraged by their doctors to try a relatively new treatment called hyperbaric oxygen therapy. At the South Florida Center for Hope, kids go inside this pressurized chamber where they breathe 100% oxygen for an hour, something many of these children are lacking.
So this is pushing the oxygen in those areas of the brain and basically waking up those areas.
Waking up new behaviors in these children.
Children that have never spoken, that are, 7, 8 years old, will start coming and they will start to speak. They will have eye contact, which was something that they never had. They will start to get very affectionate. They'll want to hug.
We were there recently when both Christian and Aiden went in for treatment, and there to see the change when they came out. Aiden smiling big and interacting with everyone.
Mommy, come in my ear.
There you go.
Christian also affectionate and speaking clearly.
More clarity, more happiness, less frustration, more verbal. I mean, he just talks up a storm.
After months of treatments, both Wanda and Joanna see a huge difference in their boys.
We've seen, well, like I said, we've definitely seen an increase in communication. We've definitely seen an increase in some social skills, like sustaining eye contact.
Who's this? Lawyer. A lawyer! Give me 5!
He made more eye contact. He understood what I was saying. He looked at me when I was talking to him as if to say, yes, I comprehend.
More understanding until we understand more about this mysterious disorder.
Doctors warn that the hyperbaric treatment should be used with other therapies and that not all hyperbaric chambers are the same. In the Plex, Richard Lemus, 7 News.